Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Direct Line Review My Usage Experience. Direct Line Review My Usage Experience appears to be a service for reviewing and analyzing your usage data with Direct Line, likely focusing on insurance products like car or home insurance. It's aimed at existing Direct Line customers who want to better understand their policy usage, potentially to identify areas for savings or to prepare for renewals. Key features likely include access to policy documents, usage summaries, and potentially personalized recommendations. Their website likely provides detailed information on how to access and use the My Usage Experience platform. It likely emphasizes the convenience of having all your usage data in one place, the transparency it offers regarding your policy, and perhaps even the potential for personalized discounts based on usage. It's possible they leverage data analysis technology to provide insights and recommendations. Availability would likely be limited to Direct Line customers and accessible through their online account portal. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Direct Line Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply logged into my existing Direct Line account online and found this My Usage tab. The interface was clean and easy to navigate. I was quickly able to access my car insurance policy documents and view a summary of my mileage over the past year. The platform presented this information in a clear, graphical format which made it easy to understand. I could also see a breakdown of my claims history, which was helpful for remembering past incidents. One standout feature for me was the personalized feedback section, which suggested ways I could potentially lower my premium next year by adjusting my coverage options based on my actual usage. The performance was excellent, the platform loaded quickly and I experienced no technical issues. I had a quick question about how the mileage tracking worked and their support responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I would have appreciated the ability to access this information on the go. It also took me a little while to understand how to customize the data displayed in the dashboards, but once I figured it out, it was quite useful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Direct Line Review My Usage Experience. It provides a convenient and transparent way to understand your insurance usage and identify potential savings. That's my overview of Direct Line Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.